Now, a statement has highlighted the situation in Uttar Pradesh, referring to the state's history of religious tensions and past incidents during festivals like Muharram. It claims that in earlier times, managing such sensitive occasions was challenging, but says the situation has changed under the current leadership of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The statement also suggests that strict law and order enforcement has created a sense of deterrence among those attempting to disrupt peace.
और आज मुहर्रम है, कहीं किसी का आता पता नहीं है, कोई अस्त्र शस्त्र का प्रदर्शन नहीं कर सकता है, कोई सड़कों पे गुंडागिर्दी नहीं कर सकता है। उत्सवपूर्ण माहौल में कोई उपद्रव नहीं कर सकता है और अगर करेगा तो 7 पीढ़ियों तक फिर भुगतेगा भी।
Nikita Serene is joining me with more details. Nikita, what more can you tell us on this?
Absolutely. Yogi Adityanath, if we talk about, is addressing people in Devariya, where he says that focusing on youth, that we are working to skill the youth and providing them employment, and we have been employed at around 9 lakh young people. And if we talk about from the year after 2017, we see lakhs of youngsters are getting employed, and Revive Traditional Enterprises providing employment opportunities to approx 3 crores people and creating for them a safe and secure environment, aura, through zero tolerance. And also, when the government was formed, that is after 2017, he said that the government would operate under zero tolerance policy, and when Muharram like festival comes, then no one can display weapons, no one can indulge in hooliganism and also the street, and if they do, they will suffer for generations to come. And the clear instructions already Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath keep on giving in meetings which he conducts, accompanying all the officials out there, that if anyone will create any chaotic scenario or maybe atmosphere at Muharram, then they will not be, they will suffer, and also the generation to come. Over to you.
All right, thanks for joining me with those details.